and looks eyes in the camera. Kalpesh, you are ready?
Where's the camera?
The camera is coming. Wait. Mr. Kalpesh is getting ready.
Pooja, you are.
You perfect because she's covering this thing. Come closer to the frame, Samarth, and keep your hand on like this on your one lap. Yes. Give the look to the frame. Here, down. In.
Prompt करो उनको 1 2 3.
Prompt करो complete उसको आप. Gokul, come closer to the sofa. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Hold it very intense. Right?
इसको इस तरफ टर्न करने को बोला इस तरफ. Pooja इस तरफ टर्न करने की.
Hold Anushka's hand. No, sorry, Pooja's hand. Sorry. You leave it down. Yeah. You just keep your one hand. Yeah. Intense. Give 2-3 looks here, there also. Give here, there. Give that. That's okay. Leave your hand down. Just stand. Out of family. Right. Yeah. Your side frame is coming, so look. Give 2-3 looks, change a little bit of your frames. Yeah, keep hands. Look up on his shoulder. That the other leg up on his shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just take your heel a little outside next to him. Yeah. That's
अक्षय करो. अच्छा कैन मिलेगा उसके बाद then we'll tell you. Then आप लोग इधर उधर आपस में interact कर सकते हो. Okay? So first shot for the cover. Dushyant, don't be blank. More stronger.
hot लड़की बैठी थोड़ा hot look दो.
Everybody look into the camera.
Sushmita.
You can change your head positions, but into the
Please
camera.
like this.
Eyes into the camera.
Yeah. Now see is better.
Don't laugh.
Give the intense look.
You
Look
can-
at her in her eyes. Yes.
Vishal. Everybody smiling. Yeah. More.
Sir has to. Okay.
We can do this stuff later.
Yeah. Done. Yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah. So first of all, hi.
Hi.
So आज के शूट के बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज.
Well, आज का shoot is a dream come true. We have Dabbu Ratnani who is doing a virtual photo shoot with my top 10 contestants of OMG Face of the Year. ये shoot हम बहुत टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे. When we were planning that the finale, towards the finale, we'll have the top 10 contestants shooting. It was the first of its kind due to lockdown कि हम एक virtual shoot organize करें. We talked to Dabbu and Dabbu was all gaga about it कि चलो let's do it. In a minute he just said yes and we were still figuring out the technicalities and how we will do it. And we're so happy that with his team and with his own presence on the Zoom and through the virtual, we are being able to guide these top 10 contestants. ये बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Currently इनके साथ Dabbu is interacting. उनको हर फ्रेम समझा रहे हैं, उनको हर एंगल समझा रहे हैं. तो ये ऐसा हमने कभी भी पहले इंडिया में देखा नहीं है जहाँ पे एक प्रसिद्ध फोटोग्राफर डब्बू रत्नानी जी ने इतना अच्छा शूट पूरा जूम पे कर रहे हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटिंग टू सी दी आउटपुट ऑफ द फ्रेम्स बिकॉज जिस तरह से वो शूट कर रहे हैं लगता ही नहीं है कि वो यहाँ हमारे बीच में नहीं है और वो एक जूम मीट में है.
Also the models were looking very gorgeous. Tell about the theme.
Well, the theme was all about the vampire and the Game of Thrones. So we have our beautiful designer Anis ji. Anis ji ने इतने अच्छे कपड़े डिज़ाइन किए, इतना ड्रामा क्रिएट कर दिया है कि ये टॉप 10 एक फैमिली भी लग रहे हैं और एक साथ उन्होंने अपने अपने लुक्स को डिफाइन भी जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं. अनीस ने बहुत इन डेप्थ स्टडी किया है अबाउट द लुक्स एंड वेल नॉट टू फॉरगेट इस पूरे लुक को ऐड ऑन करने के लिए हमारे पास ओरियन इंटरनेशनल है जो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेकअप अकेडमी है जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा मेकअप किया है जिससे डब्बू इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. डब्बू ने बोला द कॉस्ट्यूम्स आर नाइस, द मेकअप इज़ नाइस. This is what I love about this entire shoot and this shoot is going to make a lot of noise in the industry I'm sure. जब ये photographs बाहर होंगे प्रेस मीडिया के सामने होंगे and ये top 10 contestants इसी ड्रामेटिक कपड़ों में फिनाले करने वाले हैं.
Also 14 December को OMG Face of the Year का final show है. What do you want to say about that?
13 December finale इज़ अ बिग नाइट. हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि हम ऑनलाइन का जो वर्चुअल आईपी है उसको ऑफलाइन लेके आएंगे. हम एक इनफॉर्मल वे फिनाले कर रहे हैं, बहुत अलग तरीके से कर रहे हैं. 12 जूरी मेंबर्स और इन जूरी मेंबर्स के साथ हमारे टॉप 10 कंटेस्टेंट्स इंटरेक्ट करेंगे. इन्हीं ड्रामेटिक कपड़ों में दे आर गोइंग टू डू अ शो फ्लो प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द कंप्लीट ऑडियंस. हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं बिकॉज इसी जगह पे एट द गैरिसन ब्रिस्टो जो आज हमारा फोटो वेन्यू पार्टनर है प्लस हमारा फिनाले पार्टनर है, ही इज़ गोइंग टू बी शोकेसिंग दिस कंप्लीट वेन्यू फॉर अस. एंड ये पूरे वेन्यू को हम कवर करने वाले विद द टॉप 10 कंटेस्टेंट्स प्लस आर जूरी प्लस आर गेस्ट्स. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस इवनिंग विच इज़ हैपनिंग ऑन मंडे at 2 p.m.
Also, not just the dress, but the makeup and the hair was also looking amazing. Anything you want to say about that?
Yeah, as I said, the best company in India and Mumbai, which we are finding, Oren Academy, is with us today. They have done the complete justice to the drama of the outfits, and keeping in mind the texture and the color of the contestants, they have made the color tone with a very nice nude makeup, very subtle. At the same time, we always wanted to have their looks like more of a Polaroid shot. So ये सारा discussion happening with the photography team, with the makeup team and the designer. ये every angle को रखा गया है and keeping in mind कि उनके face पे suit करे और ये pictures काफ़ी अच्छे आए. So that's why Oren has done full justice to it and I'm very happy with it.
Apart from this, anything that you have been working on? Any upcoming?
There are a lot of upcoming projects apart from OMG. OMG ka season 1 is just the start of the new journey. Season 2 is going to get announced very soon. As well as we are coming up with our own Glamon calendar with season 3. Ye December has been very exciting, very challenging for entire Blank Canvas media team. And we are working day and night to make this glamour industry know the best part of creative platforms and to get new contestants across India to make sure that every time Blank Canvas can give the best talent out in the industry and to make sure that they can create their career through Blank Canvas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where we have to look? All right.
So, firstly, tell us about today's shoot.
Today's shoot, we are pretty much excited about this whole OMG journey, and it's our day 2 in this journey. So we are really excited to know what exactly is going to happen. So after coming here, I think designer gave us this outfit. So we were really excited to know how we are going to look after wearing this. So I guess we people are really feeling confident, and after wearing it, we thought it's going to be like a Game of Thrones shoot. So I was really pumped up, and outfit is something when I wear it, it should be something, it should boost up my confidence. And this outfit has done it in that way. So kudos to the designer in that way. I'm just loving the outfit.
So, you were there in the shoot
Right.
when I came. So, tell us how you felt. And even Parival sir was instructing you how to set and pose, how to pose. So, tell about your experience.
I'm very much excited. First of all, it was our first shoot with Dabbu Ratnani sir, and he's one of the best photographer in this industry. So yes, it was a very good shoot with him, and as per his guidance, what he guided us, we did that only. And thanks to Parimal sir for this opportunity. And the platform is really big, and this is the first season. We all are in the top 5, and we are really looking forward who will win this contest.
Okay. What do you have to say about this?
I'm really looking forward for the finale. I'm so glad that I made it to the top 5. The rounds were amazing. Talent round, of course, the talent round was amazing. That is my forte. The fitness round was also good. And right now we are here at Garrison Bistro and getting the shoot done by Dabu's team, and it's really fascinating. Dabu is the leading photographer in this industry, and it's pleasure to get a shoot with him.
Okay. So, as we can see, you're all dressed in black. So, tell
Yeah.
us about your outfit and all. Yeah.
So this outfit was designed by Anis, who is a really fantastic designer, and he has given a splendid outfit. So it was very much unique to try these outfits as well as perform in front of Dabu while we are doing the shoot. And this OMG is the first of a kind which has been introduced in India, which is a digital hunt. We are looking for talents and all. So it's something very exciting and pretty much thrilling as well. But it makes us nervous, but that's a good nervous. So we are looking forward to the finale. Let's see who gets the crown and who takes the title. But yeah, it's a pretty good competition and a lot to learn from all my fellow contestants as well.
Okay. So, what do you have to say? You have been sitting there, and the theme, it was looking amazing
Yes.
on camera. So,
Yes.
what do you have to say about that?
Thank you so much. I think it's a great opportunity for everyone to explore their potential, and getting such a platform where there's a scarcity of opportunities for people when they don't have a platform to showcase their talent, and people have created such a great platform for us to, come out, explore our talents, and everybody meeting contestants, such great contestants as them, and you're just challenging yourself and then trying to get better every day, and this is a dream come true.
Okay, so like OMG Face of the Year is going to come now. So what do you have to say about that?
We're just hoping that the right talent should win the challenge. And it's not just about winning or losing, it's more about the experience, it's more about the learnings, it's more about, because I'm a person who believes in self exploration a lot. So I love to find my own potential and work on it. It's some way, because when you meet such amazing talent from all over the country, it's in some ways going to hone your skills in some way. Because meeting those people, because I'm always carry this attitude of learning something from someone. So that learning attitude is something that makes me grow in some way. So for me, it's a beautiful opportunity because I'm the believer of present and I'm just loving the whole journey.
What do you have to say about that?
This contest is going from last 1 year, and each and every challenge was a learning for each and every one. True. And every challenge was different from the previous challenge. And it has been a beautiful journey. We learned everything, and the team was very supportive to us. That's it.
Yeah, same. I think my fellow contestants, covered pretty much everything. The ultimate, a big thank you, like I would like to say to Mr. Parimal sir and the entire OMG team and the jury team who got us selected and brought us to here, like amongst the 25,000 participants who had entered in this competition. Like we are the top 10, representing different cities, which is the major part or the a special aspect of OMG. So it's pretty much exciting as well, but yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah,
Also,
the diversity.
was
and
mutually with you guys.
Yeah,
when you
that
were
was
shooting.
dream
So
come
how
true.
was-
Yes, that was dream come true. We never expected him to be on. We have never thought that we would be coming together one-on-one live with him. So that was pretty much something out of the world which we had never imagined in our life. So we got this opportunity, and it was only through OMG, and OMG did all this. So a big thank you to OMG.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so firstly, tell us about today's shoot.
So today's shoot was amazing. I think everybody who is from the fashion industry or dreams about fashion have a deep down desire to work with Dabu sir, and their team was so amazing. He was guiding, he was so polite, all his tips and toes were like just make us so overwhelming. But yeah, the costumes and everything all together came up really well. So we're looking forward for the pictures.
Okay, so you're looking very different from this three girls. They are like dressed in black and you're in brown. So what you have to say about your outfit?
I think I would like to thank Anis sir that he has given me such a wonderful costume, and the shoot is also going very, very amazing, and all thanks to OMG and Parimal sir for this. And this is the avant-garde collection, and I'm so I think I'm looking stunning in this and being so I think going well. Thank you.
So what you have to say that you have dressed a little bit different. You have something on your head and your makeup and hair is a little bit different. So tell us about your look.
Absolutely, if you say so. I am so blessed to be here today and to wear this costume. I feel like a royal, like a queen with this overall makeover, and I feel so, like I feel so, yeah, I feel so good to be here. Absolutely, yes.
Okay. So while you guys were shooting, Parimal Mehta was like actually guiding you how to pose, and also Dabu was mutually with you guys. So how was the experience working?
Experience was so good. I'm really excited. Like when I saw Dabu sir, I was like, oh, dreams come true. I'm really excited, and it was amazing, totally amazing.
So lastly, what you have to say about the OMG Face of the Year is like.
I believe that all of us are from different towns all across countries, and I think many of us were working, some of us are studying, and the backgrounds which we come from. Maybe if Face of the Year gave us a platform to showcase our different talents and brought the best gems from all across countries. So yeah, I think meeting such glamorous, talented youth was a great
from
experience.
different cities, and
So that was something which I don't think anybody else other than OMG Face of the Year have ever done that. It was a
thanks
great
to
opportunity.
Parimal sir and
Yeah,
OMG
definitely,
team.
yes.
Yes, absolutely. So what you have to say? How was your spirit? How excited you guys are?
it's amazing. She has summed it up everything. It's the best feeling to be here, coming from Nagaland, and then to meet them people as a person here and to compete together, you know. And it's not like the feeling to be meet in a as a person in person actually. That does the feeling of meeting them was not like a competition but more like we have already been known each other. The feeling was so mutual, everybody was so genuine, and then really nice. I feel so good, and then the experience here was amazing. It's like for whole life experience that I will be cherishing this forever. Yes, it's just amazing that I cannot even express now. Thank you.
Anything you want to add on?
Yeah, I would just like to add on that I think everybody has said everything, but I would like to add on the journey was immensely beautiful. The way we were, the learnings what we are taking, the takeaways what we are taking, that matters more rather than the destination. It's the journey that matters, and I think we all have an amazing journey. So that's what I would say. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is Angel from INS, sir. Firstly, I want to
Hi.
ask you that it's lovely that you have been virtually guiding to all the models over here. So, what do you have to say about this?
Your audio is disappearing.
Hello, am I audible now?
Now better, yeah.
Yeah. So, sir, what you have to say that you're doing the shoot mutually on Zoom, and the models are like doing things mutually. So you're guiding them. How it's going on? What you have to say about the shoot? What's going?
I think it's great. It's going really well. And to be honest, this is like the first proper virtual shoot I'm doing. My team is there, my assistants are there to kind of direct it from where I am. You know? So I think it's looking great. The models are performed really well, and I'm very impressed with the selection of the models, with the way they are taking instruction, the way they are posing, good body language, and very confident.
So, sir, what you have to say about their theme, their outfit? The girls and boys are looking amazing in what they are wearing. It's all in black. So, what you have to say about that?
I think the styling and the makeup and hair is very impactful. It's quite interesting and very fashion and high fashion. So I think the models are pulling it off really well. So sometimes when a model is coming from out of Bombay, especially, or not coming from a from a Mumbai or a Delhi, then sometimes they cannot relate to these kind of looks. But I think all of them are doing really well. All the shots that have happened, each one of them is really working the clothes well. And whatever pictures I'm seeing which are coming to me for approval are looking super. Very, very happy. And I think we've got a great variety. Each one of them is looking different from the other. It's not like it's one styling for all of them. Each one has its own character. So I like that fact.
So, what you have to say about OMG Face of the Year and also your association with Parimal Mehta?
So it's been a great association. I think it turned out much bigger and better than I think what we expected, because we rolled it out during COVID times, and we didn't know how much response we were going to get. But to be honest, every day I used to get over 100 DMs on my Instagram asking about it, asking that is it genuine, is it? So everybody was really interested in it. And once I used to reply to them, they used to get paid and kind of apply for it. So it was initially it was a bit slow, but I think it picked up very well. And mostly people look for credible names. When a person, you can ask any of the models as well. I think they will only trust something online when there's a credible name attached to it. So I think the overall team has worked very hard on this and kept it very genuine and kept it realistic, and getting all of them here for one shoot also is a great move, because virtual shoots, what we had decided initially, was supposed to be done directed by me to each model in their own house. But now, since things are better and things are opening up, we were able to get them to Bombay and all under one roof and for shoot, with my assistants as well.
Okay, so what you have to say about the clothes? Obviously, you said about the clothes. What about the makeup, the look, what they have? The hair is different. The makeup is different.
Yeah, so I think it's going really well with the theme, makeup, hair, the styling. It's all put together. It's all teamwork. I mean, it's not about just one thing. So once the clothes are decided, then they see what kind of makeup would work for that, and then what kind of hair would work for that. So and each model has different hair. Each model has different features, different characters. So it's carefully picked on each look and what would suit that particular model, and what they can carry on. So I think it's done really well, and I'm liking what I'm seeing.
The contestants are actually doing very good, and OMG Face of the Year is like in Jan, and you will be judging. So what do you have to say about that? I mean, like,
I just continue. So, hi sir. So, I just wanted to continue the same thing. Also, you are judging the OMG Face of the Year. What do you want to say about that?
So I feel that it's going to be a great contest. It's going to be a great, the winner. I mean, whatever contest they've seen till now, they're really performing well. So it's going to be a tough choice. I feel that because looking at the confidence levels that people have, all these models have, it's going to be a tough choice to kind of come to the final top two winners.
So, also apart from this all, what do you want to add something?
Sorry?
Apart from the like OMG and the models, what do you want to add? And what
Add.
message you want to give?
So I'm wishing them all the very best, and I'm hoping that they have the same confidence on the actual finale as well. And yeah, I'm hoping to do a lot more work with OMG again, with Parimal and the whole team. I hope we do lots more work and lots more contests together.
We do season 2 soon, Dabu.
We should.
Thank you so
Yeah?
much, sir. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to